Welcome or welcome back. So today I'm going to start with a number you should call if you are interested with this house. Hello everybody, so today I'm at Waiyaki Way. I'll be showcasing bedsitter along Waiyaki Way. Enjoy the video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So this is the first bedsitter I'll be showcasing. From here you can see the main road. So I'll be trying to showcase every detail of the house, every small detail of the house. We are done with the first bedsitter, so we are going to the next bedsitter, which is this one, and the price are different by 1,000 because of the balcony, because this one does not have a balcony. So the other one is 12,000 and this one is 11,000 Kenyan shillings per month. So you can actually see the difference between these two. This one is more spacious than this one because of the extended balcony. The side of the kitchen area is also different. This one is at the end and this one is at the beginning. The lighting of the house is also perfect, so you can do content creation for the content creators. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? So the prices for the first one, the price is 12,000 Kenya shillings, the one with an extended balcony. Then the one that does not have an extended balcony is 11,000 Kenya shillings per month. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying.